have this use. I kind of like feel heavy karmic energy na meron siyang tinatago at saka na-sense ko rin na itong tao na to meron siyang evil entity within. So mag-ingat kayo sa taong yun kasi this person definitely hates you with the like being in reverse. And we have this ex. So yung basta nyo siguro ito yung inyong ex-friend, ex-lover. So I feel here na yung tao na to, hindi maganda yung kanyang intention. So, if ever this ex-person is coming back to you, wag yun nang tanggapin uli. Kasi, whoever this is, yung kanyang intention ay gamitin ka lang uli or ahasin ka is what I sense. We also have this, betrayal. Ibig sabihin lang nun, isahadlangan niya yung iyong growth kasi ayaw kanyang tumaas yung rango mo with regards sa career at ganun din siguro sa inyong negosyo. So, we have this ghost here. And we also have this, okay? So, itong tao na to, I'm not quite sure guys if it's really somebody of your past. Pero kung sakali man hindi siya about your past, I feel here na kung may lumapit man sa inyo, may tao na masama yung intention, na may kukunin lang sa inyo or gagamitin lang kayo, then after this person took something from you, this person will ghost to you or iiwanan ka niya. Then we have this rich in reverse. So, I kinda like feel here na hindi maganda yung kanyang intention. Bala kanyang nakawan to, to steal your wealth, honestly, para mawala na yung pera. Okay, at hindi ka maging mayaman. We also have this one here kasi siguro nakikita ka niya na umaasenso yung iyong buhay. I feel here that it may come like a Trojan horse that you could be thinking na kaibigan mo siya, makatulong siya pero, in reality hindi. Itong tao na to masama yung kanyang intention. Gusto kanyang pabagsakin at maging messy yung iyong buhay. And we also have this time. So, I kinda like feel here, guys, that you do have your time as of this time. Meaning lang, no, na maganda yung nangyayari sa iyong business, sa iyong career, at may tao sigurong nainggit sa nangyayari sa iyo, at I kinda like feel yung energy na who does, okay? So, maybe this is somebody that is definitely connected to you or close siya sa'yo, maybe sa past or maybe sa ngayon din. So, huwag kayo mabilis magtiwala at if ever you do have wealth, I would suggest that you really need to keep an eye on it, do safety measures, right? Example, bumili kayo ng safe, okay, para hindi agad makuha yung yaman nyo. At, make sure din na bumili kayo ng, I feel na lock sa room, to be honest. So, please be careful. Okay, and I will say guys na God is definitely warning you about whomever this is kasi syempre ayaw ng Panginoon na manakaw yung bagay na pinaghirapan ninyo, and I feel like you're being called on to focus as well in your work, to be honest, kasi maganda yung time mo for career. So keep it up and God bless all of you.